This is a demo of Symbol Flux's abstract visual debugger. The idea behind it is to give a higher level representation of a program's state as it executes. The particular level of abstraction is data structures. Let's start with a simpler one though. Let's say you have a list of names and you have an algorithm that sorts this list, but you're writing it from scratch and inevitably you'll make mistakes on your way to perfection. So what we're seeing now is a bubble sort executing on this list. Now, the nice thing about it is all that the programmer did is write the sorting algorithm on a monitored array list instead of a normal array list. For whichever kind of data structure you'd like to use, there's some monitored version. For instance, hash maps. If you create a monitored hash map instead of a list, this is what it looks like. It has keys on the left and values on the right. This is the only other data structure available at the moment, but there will be maybe 5 unique visualizations for distinct data structure types. So let's say your program is accidentally adding entries twice, as we see here. Or that sometimes it's getting the key and value in the wrong order. Either case, it's readily visible just by starting up the visualizer. While the software is already useful for debugging simple programs and instructional algorithm visualization, its real intended purpose is to assist in the development of real, complex, interesting software. And it has been designed and engineered with that goal in mind from the outset. For instance, to use the program, a programmer only needs to use the monitored variant of whichever data structure their algorithm operates on, and the visual representation is automatically laid out in a scene, even with large aggregates of data structures as we see here. And all the data automatically faces the camera wherever it's positioned. Additionally, there are several styles of camera available for observing the scene. Shown here is a self-navigating camera that keeps track of which portions have not yet been observed and moves itself over to take a look. Additionally, there's a paging scheme where you can just use arrow keys to cycle from one page to the next. And there's a free look, and there's a mode for observing single data structures.